Let's take a closer look at this feature. I will call this chat AI and our society and start a new one. I will begin with a question. Let's talk about how artificial intelligence affects society. This topic is pretty big. The response gets us ready for a meaningful conversation. It talks about both the good and bad things that AI can do for society. It touches on stuff like money, healthcare, and the environment, giving us a fair and balanced view. The discussion can keep going with questions like, what do you think will be the hardest parts of AI? Our conversation keeps going smoothly, touching on things like people losing jobs because of AI and how it's changing the job market. This shows how rich a discussion with ChatGPT can be. Learning a new language. Now let's switch gears. Imagine I want to get better at speaking Italian. I can use this to have a basic conversation and improve my Italian. We start with a simple greeting, with the chat translating to help me learn. Even though I might not be great at Italian yet, you can see how this helps me practice and get better at speaking the language. These chats let learners like me respond and talk in the language they are learning. Make it easier to get better. Simulations. Another cool thing you can do is simulations. You can practice different scenarios to prepare for real-life situations. This covers a wide range of situations like business deals, sales talks, or managing upset customers. When you practice these simulations, you can sharpen your skills and be ready for the real thing. For example, think about simulating a situation where a customer complains about goods quality. This simulation gives you a sample email from an upset customer. You can practice how to respond, try different approaches, and think about what the customer might say back. It's like getting training for handling customer complaints. You can also use this feature for more complex situations. Imagine simulating a negotiation with a car owner in a deal where you disagree on the price. The simulation shows you how the car owner might respond, and you can take part in the negotiation to improve your skills. Brainstorming. Lastly, there is a brainstorming mode that's super helpful for coming up with ideas. Whether you are working on a startup, creating a marketing plan, or trying to solve a problem, ChatGPT is great at generating lots of ideas based on what you tell it. This brainstorming is unique because the ideas it comes up with are just for you, which can spark your creativity and innovation. To see how ChatGPT can do all this, let's dive into some specific and different situations. Like, imagine you are in brainstorming mode. Generate some ideas to create a marketing plan. Or you can write, imagine you are in brainstorming mode, generate some ideas for a startup as a digital bank. As we finish our look at ChatGPT's features, it's clear that you can use it for a ton of different things. In the short time we have spent together, we have accomplished a lot. But remember, this is just the beginning. In the next part of this course, you'll learn about prompt engineering. It's like art and science that helps you ask questions that get amazing responses. Mastering this skill will open a world of incredible answers and results, all thanks to ChatGPT. So stay excited as we move on to the next lesson where there is even more cool stuff to discover.